how much should you actually spend on a watch? Some people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Citizen Eco Drive Weekender. This Citizen Men's Eco Drive Weekender Bryson chronograph caught my eye with its sporty style and luxurious feel, priced at about $208. If you want a watch that combines technical advancements with an eye-catching design, this is worth a serious look. The first thing that stands out is the 5-second chronograph that measures up to 60 minutes. This means whether you're timing your workout or just keeping track of the day, you can do it with precision. The luminous hands are a game changer too. They glow in the dark, so you can check the time even in low light. And with a water resistance of 100 meters, it's perfect for those who enjoy a bit of adventure on the weekends. This matters for you specifically if you're someone who hates taking off your watch every time you jump in the pool. Now, some people complained about the watch being a bit heavy. Here's the thing though, if you prefer a watch that feels solid on your wrist, this might not be a deal breaker. But if you're looking for something lighter, this might not be your best option. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish watch that's functional for both work and play. Skip this one if you prefer something more lightweight. Considering its features, it's a great value for the money. Now, if the weight of the Citizen bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Citizen Classic Quartz Watch. Next up is the Citizen Men's Classic Quartz Watch for about $123.95. This watch caught my attention with its polished silvertone finish and blue sunray dial, which gives it a classic yet modern vibe. If you want a no-fuss timepiece that still looks sharp, this is worth considering. The 40mm stainless steel case houses a Japanese quartz movement, which means you can rely on it for accuracy. The day-date window is a fantastic addition. It's super handy for keeping your schedule in check. Plus, it's water-resistant up to 30 meters, so it can handle splashes without worry, although I wouldn't recommend swimming with it. Here's why this matters for you. If you're someone who wants a dependable watch for everyday use, this fits the bill perfectly without breaking the bank. However, some buyers mentioned issues with the clasp being a bit finicky. I'll be real with you, if you're looking for something that you can easily put on and take off, this might require a bit of patience. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish watch that's easy to wear for daily activities. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty watch. With its classic design and reliable movement, it offers solid value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for diving enthusiasts. Product number 3, Orient Kamasu Diver Watch. Check out the Orient Men's Automatic Diver Style Wristwatch Kamasu, priced at $297.49. This watch truly stands out with its bold red dial and impressive specs. If you want something that screams durability and style, this is worth a serious look. It's powered by the Orient F922 movement, which means it winds itself as you wear it, no batteries needed. Plus, with a 200-meter water resistance rating, it's suitable for serious marine activities. The sapphire crystal is another highlight. It's scratch-resistant, which is crucial for protecting your investment. Here's why this matters for you. If you're into diving or swimming, knowing your watch can withstand the elements is a huge relief. One downside, some users found it a bit bulky for everyday wear. I totally get that. If you want a watch that's more discreet, this might not be your best fit. This is perfect for you if you're an active individual who values both style and functionality. Skip this one if you're after a minimalist design. With its robust features, it's definitely a worthwhile investment. Now, if the size of the Kamasu is something you're concerned about, the next watch offers a sleek alternative. Product number 4, Orient Kamasu/Mako III. Next, we have the Kamasu/Mako III Men's Automatic Watch at around $345. This one's really impressive with its sleek design and automatic movement. If you want a diver's watch that's both stylish and functional, this is worth a serious look. It features a classic black dial paired with a sturdy stainless steel strap. This combination not only looks good but is also practical for sports or daily wear. With a water resistance of 200 meters, you don't have to worry about taking it for a swim. The automatic movement means it's powered by your wrist movement, so you won't ever have to fuss with batteries. Here's why this matters for you. If you're someone who prefers a low-maintenance watch, this is a great choice. Now, some folks pointed out that the clasp can be a bit tricky to adjust. Here's the thing though, once you get it set, it stays put, which is a plus in my book. This is perfect for you if you appreciate automatic watches with a sporty edge. Skip this one if you prefer quartz movements for their accuracy. With its solid build and design, it's worth every penny. Alright, that was a fantastic option. However, if you're more inclined towards solar power, the next watch might just be what you need. Product number 5, Orient RN-TX 203S Diver Watch. Finally, let's look at the Orient RN-TX 203S Men's Diver Watch at about $292.97. This watch caught my eye with its vibrant multicolor design and impressive solar features. If you want a watch that combines style with innovation, this is definitely a strong contender. It's powered by solar energy, which means you won't have to worry about changing batteries. And with a water resistance of 20 ATM, it's perfect for diving or water sports. Here's why this matters for you. If you're tired of the hassle of replacing watch batteries, this solar option is incredibly convenient. On the flip side, a few users mentioned that the multicolor design might not be for everyone. I'll be real with you, if you prefer a more classic look, this could be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you love unique designs and want a low-maintenance watch. Skip this one if you prefer something more understated. Considering its features, it's a great value for solar technology in a stylish package. So to wrap it up, we started with the Citizen Eco Drive Weekender, which offers a sporty look and solid features. Then we moved to the Citizen Classic Quartz for a reliable everyday option. The Orient Kamasu brought us a durable diver's watch, while the Kamasu/Mako III provided sleek versatility. Lastly, the Orient RN-TX 203S showcased solar power with a vibrant design.